Hi guys, welcome back to 4th Generation Renovation. Today's the big day. We're going to be moving into the bedroom. So we've got a bit of cleaning to do, got some light switches and power points to put on, and then we'll be moving in all the furniture. Alright, so the next job up is to put the light switch and the power points on the wall. We've been out this morning and been shopping, and we've got this burgundy blanket. This blanket is to put in the archway, seen as that is a common area at the moment for everyone to use the bathroom and toilet. So until we build the extension, we've got our walk-in robe and our ensuite, we need some kind of doorway there. So we're going to hang the blanket up. It'll do the job for the moment, so we're not too bothered by it. And we're going to do the curtains in a burgundy colour, so that's why we got that colour blanket. So I'll get in and start doing that, and I'll take you through each job, and then by this evening we'll be moving the furniture in, so that'll be exciting. Right, so it's finally time. We've cleaned everything now, and there was a bit of paint on the floor. We've scrubbed that off, and we're going to start bringing stuff in now. So it's been a long time coming, but we're finally here, and this is pretty exciting. Can't wait to show you some finished pictures of it all. Alright guys, so we got there, a finished bedroom. It was pretty hard work this afternoon. It's pretty hot today here, and we're sweating, doing everything. The bed's a big job, that weighs a ton and it's pretty tricky to put together. Last time I took it down, I dropped a piece on my son's head and that was pretty bad. So we got it all put together and we're really happy. And this is our first finished room, so we're stoked. So I'll show you, I'll finish the video up here and I'll take the camera around and show you a good look around the room, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Cheers.
Bye.